into the airport. Da Nang to the LAT. It's 5:30 in the morning. I don't know if you can see that little timer over there. We've just got to find our airline, which I think is Vietnam Airlines. So it's up there, probably the busy one. But we've checked in on 9, so I don't know what the queue is. We just need to drop our bags off. But we'll see. The masks are back on. It's like duck masks, they snap so easily. We're saying that we're getting so used to being on planes.
It's just like jumping on a bus.
Yeah, no nerves, no anxiety. Boom, boom. Straight on, let's go. Just booked the hotel for the 3 nights. Let's go. 155 for taxi and hotel.
Hello guys! So we have arrived in LAT. We flew in, we didn't take the bus, we were flashbackers. We took the plane.
It was literally like £20 more per person, and we was like, you know what, if we can get the plane instead of the bus for a little bit extra, let's go for it. But we haven't taken advantage of that extra time.
It was so worth it.
We got the taxi here, which was cheaper than a Grab. It was 100,000 cheaper, and only 50,000, like £2 more expensive than the bus, the public bus to get to here. So it was like, yeah, we'll just get the taxi here. Got here for about 9 o'clock, waited till about 11 o'clock for our room. And I've just been on my iPad playing a game, a new game. And now we're finally heading out. We're gonna go see some of the LAT and get some food. Let's go!
So we're here, don't really know what's the queue. Guessing need to pay, obviously. So this is Crazy House when you first walk in. Oh my goodness, wait. This is crazy. So this is what we're currently going through. Wait, where are we going? So you can literally stay the night and maybe there's kangaroo there. So like you'd walk out and this is where you'd
Assuming they like shut up shop at some time.
Yeah, so, they must do.
So people don't get wandering around their house.
Honestly, this is loads of different compartments down there, up there. I'm a bit confused. So this is another room. So it is actually a hotel, which I didn't know until Jameson told me. But look, what? This is crazy. So it's called the Crazy House. See all the laundry or like the washing there. So this is the queue at the minute. We're going up here. It's crazy. So we're at the top of a bit. So it might be a bit windy, but look, oh my god. Yes, I do. It just gives me like, you know, in the night garden. Like I was a bit old to watch it, but I have seen, you know, them little, there's like 3 little guys and they've got like a really cool house. Yeah, it reminds me of that. I can't lie. So we're actually quite high because you can see the city and like some mountains. So again, the little in the night garden house, people things. This place would honestly be the sickest game of hide and seek or it. It would be insane. It'd be so good.
Through these tight stairs.
Quite tight, aren't they?
Yeah.
And they're actually higher than you think. Look down. It's actually quite skinny and a bit leg jelly.
Trees and everything, and you can see the city and the hustle and bustle, the honking and everything. It's crazy, man. It's crazy in the Crazy House.
And this cost us how much? 60,000 each.
60,000, yeah. So
It is
£2, just over £2 each. I think this is durian. Looks like durian, doesn't it? It smells like durian or jackfruit, but I'm sure that's durian. It's hench. Who's in here then?
MTV, welcome to my crib.
Hello.
See that, Joan?
Very cute little roundabout. I'm not sure they can quite see it. There's like dancers on there. There's like dancers on there, and then there's a little lake over here. I'm having to shout because the traffic has got really bad all of a sudden. Just reminds me of Swanley Lake. Our pedalos over there, people fishing. It's all going down. Gonna try the food over here. Yeah. Chocolate is sweet, but you are sweeter. Ah.
So we're in the chocolate place and they have 3 chocolates. You've got bitter, sweet, matcha. Journal, she's gone. You've got mint, James, mint. Oh, lime. Berry, coconut, B52, Irish whiskey, and cherry brandy. So these are free that you can try them. But we ordered hot chocolate. So someone else came in and just had someone and left. I was like, you can't do that, but yeah, let's give it a go. This is mint. Oh, that is strong.
Yeah, sure. That is amazing. I love chocolate mint. Lime, that's interesting.
That is intense.
Right, this is lime. Ready?
I don't like them.
Oh no? Berry. Oh my god, that is so strong. I literally smell, it's like I'm smelling the berry.
Can you smell?
Oh, you know.
Oh my god!
Isn't it?
Is it nice? Is it though? Is it actually?
It's so nice. That berry. It's cool, right? Coconut. Cam doesn't like sweet. I like everything sweet, so when it's too sweet for Cam, you can see it in her face, but I'm like, coconut. I'm gonna try the bitter one. Yeah, taste it.
Okay, it's not bad. I'm done.
That tastes like the usual chocolate truffles, but they're really, really bitter. One more minute.